It's time to get to work with Payne Commercial and Fleet. Come on in. Here we are with a new 2023 Ram ProMaster 2500 159-inch wheelbase, and it's got a high roof on it. And guess what? We've already outfitted it with Ranger Series racks. We've got storage bins up and down, more storage bins, keep them secured, and also cable pulls on these secure boxes for all your other tooling and little bitty needs. Hey, need that toolbox on the go, ready to go. And all of these racks have a high lip, so guess what? Nothing's going to go bouncing around or flip-flopping around. And also, we've got this storage rack in the front. Let's go ahead and check this out. You put some more tooling up here, pull on this, big, huge safety locker. This is a giant backpack. This gives you just an idea of how much room there is in here. So guess what? We can outfit it any way you want, and it won't void the warranty on the vehicle. This is the business end. Let's go to the driving section. Now, before we hop in the cockpit, up here we've got the racks on top. That's for all of your ladder and long storage. Inside, creature comforts, big time. Volume controls right here. Also, Uconnect and our digital station here where you can plug in your USB 2 and 3. Of course, it has 6 months of Sirius XM. And guess what? Your console shifter right here. Plenty of room for your cup holders and stuff. And no carpets in here. So guess what? Any spills and thrills and chills, an easy cleanup for you and your crew. And even overhead storage here for all the other paperwork and little stuff you need to get, all those special tools to get the job done. Let's go ahead and see what's under the hood. Under the hood, we have the Pentastar 3.6-liter V6 from Ram. That's right. This is in their sports cars. It's in their vans. Guess what? It's going to give you great performance with that 9-speed automatic transmission. So guess what? It's geared low for you, the crew, and all your gear on this new 2023 Ram 2500 ProMaster 159-inch wheelbase, high roof, fully accessorized right here at Payne Commercial and Fleet. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have the workhorse you need. Look at the Quieres regardless.